We have the worst set of students in this generation. The ones that will come to your DM and start explaining, Baba, I want to learn. Baba, my family, they suffer. Make I use one to support my family. Baba, I beg, anything you want to do for me because I go dey very loyal, I go dey very humble. Then you give them chance. About 1 week, 2 weeks, they have started feeling too comfortable. What happened to my camera? I don't know. What happened to my lens? I don't know. What happened to my background? It's being turned. I don't know. I don't know becomes the end of story. They never know what is happening to anything. Some will even go as much as you talk to them, they will talk back at you. Some will even go as much as insulting you. Some will even decide when they will come to work by themselves. So you cannot even tell them that work is also time. They will come when they like. Some will just feel like they are big enough. They don't want you to start talking to them anyhow. So they will go and start working because they feel like they are big enough to start working. They feel like life is easy. Some of them just want to wake up one day and be called big name, be called celebrity. They don't know that people have to work a long period of time to get to this point. They want things to be very, very easy. That's why a lot of them will jump into internet fraud because they don't understand that something good takes a long process. Check, everybody that is successful, like being real successful, they have good stories to tell because they have gone through all these stages. You want to skip some stages and you want to go to the front. Uncle, I'm greeting you. So it's so bad. That's why I said we have the worst set of students in this generation. If you tell me today that you don't accept students or you don't accept people begging you, I will not blame you because I've seen a lot of it. That's my time. Do well to follow me. Yes, follow me now. Now see you in my next video.